So this is the shop. This is where the magic will happen. I don't have an intro to this video. Anyways, I don't have any microphones right now, so I forgot the receiver. I don't really know where I'm gonna start yet. I got a lot to do. A lot. So can't turn it around, so we're just gonna do like this way, I guess. So I got like all this stuff I gotta like do something with. I gotta move it around a little bit, and I'm gonna start with like that area. Well, pentagram, that area over here. Cut. I don't know. Yeah. I'm gonna rearrange this shit. Clean it up, move shit around. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. Got a whole truck I gotta move around and fix at some point. That'll be a whole series. Actually, the truck will be a whole series. I'm gonna put my phone right here. I think this will work. Yes, okay, it works. So okay. Cue epic cleaning montage. Okay, so got a little bit of stuff on. Opened a door. Not a door, it was a door. Wow. So I'm gonna try and pick up this thing here, get it right here. Just move it over. That way the door's accessible, and then that one is gonna go back right here, but with like a walkway through here. I'm gonna move that. I don't even know what that is. I think there's a broken pressure washer over there. There's a bunch of just random junk. It's just junk. This place is full of junk. So it's kind of where I'm at. The sun's kind of bright. Here we are. I pulled a bunch of stuff out. Don't know what this shelf's doing. Trying to get all these random just things. These are random parts, random tools, pieces of junk, literal junk. Actual junk. Like, why is it here, bro? I don't understand. I don't understand. But we have the outdoors, the great wilderness. You just keep on working. Get the trash picked up, sweep it up, knock out. I want to just get this whole corner rearranged today, and then that will be the video, and then I'll kind of just give like a little bit of a, oh, I'm gonna do this later, like next week maybe. I don't know. I got work, so. Random cut there, but I'm gonna leave it rolling so I get B-roll. if there's anything that happens that I find, oh, look at this cool thing, you know, but other than that, it should just kind of jump. Next thing. My gloves, my jacket, right here. Gloves, jacket, right there. Well, little break from the cleaning here. This is all like the mess I've made. Gotta get a little bit more picked up before I'm out of here. It's all kind of moved around. Family of brown recluses right there. It was really nasty. And they just kept appearing. They just kept showing up, and I was like, boom, dead, boom, dead, boom, and they just kept coming. I was like, what the hell? Why do they keep coming, bro? I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this here. I could probably get like a little toolbox chest thing, like a little roller caddy, store it right here. Or I could probably, actually, I'll probably store it right here, like a little roller caddy like this tall. Just like one I can roll with a bunch of tools to whatever I'm working on. But yeah, I still gotta go through a lot of the tools. Probably be like, I'll probably do that. If I decide to record it, I will. If not, it'll just be something that's changed. I think next week I'm gonna hit that thing of wood there, and I'm gonna move it over there. It's not a working toilet. It's just, it got installed, but we don't have water. So maybe one day there'll be a bathroom there. Who knows? Got like a workout machine. I gotta probably just replace some cables on it. It would work just fine. Or I might sell it. Facebook Marketplace is a great place. There was a dead rat. It hooked up the wheel on this thing when I was trying to move it. I couldn't move it very well because there was a dead rat binding up the wheel in the back. But other than that, it's just a bunch of trash I gotta round up. Get like a big contractor trash bag or something. Throw a bunch of it away. Collect a bunch of stuff that we aren't gonna keep. Because like we have like 10 of one tool. It's like we don't need 10 of one tool, bruh. We just need like 1 or 2, you know, like 2. But it is dusty as hell. I'm definitely gonna buy me a little respirator mask for the next time I work on this stuff. Anyways, I think I'm gonna do just a little bit more cleaning. Then I'll do the final walk around, and that'll be that for the day. Well, I think I got a lot done. Got to rearrange it a little bit in here. Do a little walk around, show kind of what the progress I did. But as you can see, it's definitely a lot less crowded. The tools. Slide up here. This one right here. I'm gonna replace it with another one I have hanging. That way we have more light over there. It's a little bit brighter. It's an LED one. I'll just plug it into the side or something. But yeah. That one's out. Okay. I'll do a little walk around, kind of talk about what I did over here. I'll move some stuff around here. Took a couple things I can't really get rid of just without communicating with other people, and then got to take it to the dump. But it's this little like stuff here, and then that little stuff there. Just some stuff that I can't really throw out without some coordination, because I don't have a truck to throw it in the bed of and take it away. Other than that, though, it's kind of out of the way, kind of tucked away in its own little thing going on. Of course, I'm going to have to deal with it again later. But what I did so far is I took a lot of that stuff, and a lot of like that shelf fell down and whatnot. But I'm going to go, so like next time I'm going to get that trash taken out, and I'm going to go through all this stuff here, get that shelf situated over here, and then get all the parts picked up, all the tools picked up, get all this rearranged, and yeah, it should look a lot nicer. I mean, already we have a bigger walkway here. Open this door, you can turn, go down here, and then eventually I'm gonna have that turned so where you can just go straight down. Other than that, took that from there and put it here, and then I put that was here and I put it there and made a little gap in the middle because I found this little spike here I can put a jacket on. One adventure I'm gonna have to do is, these are all burnt up, and that one's burnt up real bad. I'm gonna have to get some face plates, and I'm also gonna have to get some new outlets for it. Just because I don't really feel 100% comfortable using burnt up outlets, but they have power to them, so they'll work. Found a coffee machine. I don't think I'm gonna use it, but it's up there. Go make some coffee. But yeah, that's everything for here for today. The audio may kind of suck because it's a big echoey area. Guess whoever watches this, whoever this reaches, thank you for watching.